The Public Library website features access to a large number of electronic research databases and other sources. Some of these databases are general and feature materials on a large number of subjects. OneSearch is a good example of this kind of multidisciplinary database. However, we have access to hundreds of databases, and OneSearch does not search all of them. Others are for more specific research.
These can be helpful to use because they will bring back fewer results, but those results will exclude anything not in your subject area.
APA PsychInfo is a database focusing on behavioral science and mental health. Results from APA PsychInfo are not included when you search for something in OneSearch. This database is specific to your subject and has access to hundreds of thousands of research articles, book chapters, and gray literature. It also has a number of ways to narrow down your searches to make sure you're getting what you're looking for. To get to these databases, we use the Databases link from the library homepage. This will take you to a list of subjects arranged alphabetically. From here, select Psychology. This takes us to a list of recommended databases for research in psychology and mental health. We can also see the contact information for a psychology librarian here, in case we have any questions or would like to schedule a research appointment. Back to the list, at the top are our most recommended databases, and we can see at the very top is APA PsychInfo, so let's select that one. We'll be asked to sign in before seeing the search page.